Hi, I'm Alice from Monitor, and today I'm going to tell you about a single sign-on feature that will save you time and effort when navigating between the various administration pages in the Monitor suite. Staff who need to navigate between reports and configuration screens will find this very useful.
When we log into WebAdministrator, we can see our username appears in the top right-hand corner. If we place the cursor over our username, an Options drop-down menu will appear. In the bottom pane of the Options pop-up, we can see the other admin modules that this user accesses regularly to manage the Monitor system. In order to configure access to these modules from within WebAdministrator, we simply select Admin Settings in the left-hand control column. In the main pane on the right, we will see that we have the Websites tab opened. This is where we want to be to configure the SSO settings. In the Website URLs section, we can configure friendly names for the various administration portals in the cells on the left, and we enter the root URL for the various admin functions in the cells on the right. For example, for SSO access to the My Monitor user portal admin page, we'll populate the appropriate URL cell with the site URL for My Monitor. Note that we do not need to put in the admin descriptor at the end of the My Monitor URL. The system will do that automatically. Simply populate this field with the site URL for My Monitor. Once completed, all fields that we have configured here will appear in the drop-down menu that we saw earlier under our username in the top right-hand corner of WebAdministrator.